RDMS.
Give me life, give me love.
Hey guys, welcome to a new video. My name is Pita.
My name is Lloyd, and
And
this
we
is
do
the
the
Als
Als
Fam.
Fam.
Like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video.
Guys, every time we're on the road, I like looking out the window just because every time we pass through different places, I see different views, which is really beautiful. But I hope you guys like these videos or like clips.
Law and order. I worked alongside law enforcement. I drafted policy to reduce violent crime.
Good morning, guys. We're gonna go ahead and go to Utah. We have like how many hours?
5 hours left.
We have 5 hours to head over there. We did got a delivery to head over there, so we're waiting. And there's a bunch of traffic right now. I'll show you guys right now. Look how bad the traffic is. It's like you can't see it, but from the other side you can see a whole bunch of cars and trucks. We're gonna be here for a fat minute. While we wait in traffic, I am going to be coloring. Shout out to my coworkers. Like, this is actually very helpful when I'm here. I'll show you guys how it looks like. It has like a whole bunch of like pages and stuff about different plants. It's actually pretty cool, not gonna lie. And Lloyd usually watches podcast or any like crime.
I watch movies, podcasts, whatever I need to do to get me through this traffic.
Yes. Yeah. As long as we good, we good.
Straight.
We straight. Yep. I'm not complaining. But raining, it's snowing, it's sunny, it's windy, so I get to experience all the
4 seasons.
all 4 seasons. Yep. Yeah. And it's actually pretty fun though, because like you get to put your sweats on. It's pretty cool because like I've never been out of California, so it's just like, to me it's pretty new, so I'm getting used to all of this. He has gone already and he experienced it already, but me on the other side, I like it.
Oh, it's fun. I say I still enjoy it. I haven't got bored.
Yes.
Especially I got my PlayStation, so it's cool.
Oh yeah, he got his PS5 and the TV is back there. We have a whole bed up there. If you guys see the other video, you guys are gonna be able to see what I have in the back.
Yeah, I think I took my last blood pressure. What did I do?
When did you take it? She took her medicine on the go, is what she said. And when she see the police, that's when she decided to get it. First off, who's taking a pill bottle to the store with one pill in it? First.
He full chain with that one. He full chain with that one, bro. Okay. He full chain with that one. I wanna up and I wanna do.
Guys, we're gonna take a break right now. So we're gonna go get College Junior. Even though we told each other that we're not gonna buy outside food and we're gonna save money because we only bought outside food once. And this is our second time. And we're doing a really good job on saving up money, so
That was a tight parking.
yeah.
I don't know. I feel good when it comes down to like doing tight parkings. It's like my reward. I don't know, like a self-achievement award when it comes to do like parkings that are fucking tight. So right now, Sean, there's a whole bunch of trucks right here. So they're trying to find parking. These trucks oh shit! He almost hit him. Oh shit!
I didn't work for that. I should have done. We just got here to our stop for the day where we're gonna chill and sleep here. tour of the gym. This is how it looks like. I have a whole basketball court, as you can see. Pretty sick. They have ping pong. They have a soccer. I forgot what's it called. I'm bad. We got a little game. Pretty sick.
One more. Good job. Some more. You can't go. Good job. No, that don't count. That don't count. Go.
What do you mean?
Use your shoulder.
No, I
Use your
didn't.
shoulder.
No, I didn't. That was my last.
Which? Go ahead. One more. Go back up. There you go.
Same thing.
Bro, you
See
said,
this?
Don't sit.
I did not do that. We're gonna rewatch the video for that.
No.
I don't know how long I've been waiting for this moment. I'm waiting for this. All the videos I see on TikTok about like their boyfriend and girlfriend going at it, like either wrestling or jiu-jitsu. We're waiting for this guy.
She doesn't give up the choke easy though. So I will say that.
Oh yes.
Like your head's not like this. You're like a turtle. That's how it should be. It should be like that anyway. There you go.
He could beat me in seconds, probably. Know some moves, some. Because I have wrestled my brother. Did a little bit of jiu-jitsu. Hey.
Sit down. Thank you, mommy. Ooh. Do that. Hey. Yeah,
I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Hey, you did it again. I used to play this a lot with my cousin. I'm making food right now. What is this? Looks so good, babe.
That's gonna be fire. Real food.
Yeah.
That's really what it is. We want to make real food. You don't want to fucking have to microwave everything. So, in my opinion, this is gonna be some good food. It's not microwave. So, yeah. It's electric. So most of the times when we go, there is an electric outlet, but sometimes there's not. So, it is what it is. But it works pretty good.
it. We got it from Amazon, so if you guys want to buy one, or it actually works really good. Not gonna lie, it's been cooking our food real good. So yeah, I do recommend. Guys, so we finished cooking. It's so bomb, babe, huh? Fire. We got our water here. Got some more chips.
Mandatory.
We washed all of this, and yeah, mandatory, of course. But yeah. Hey guys, we are back. We're gonna go ahead and go get some groceries and get something to eat. We just got out of the shower. We did laundry, and pretty much it was a pretty solid day. It was pretty good. Not gonna lie, it was pretty good. We got to work out. Got to do a little bit of wrestling with Lloyd on the side eye. Yeah, I'll let you guys know when we're done. Probably gonna record. We're gonna get some snacks, probably a few eats. And good morning. We decided that we wanted some hot chocolate, and then we have some bread right there. Okay, guys. Ran right now. As you can tell, we're pretty tired. But it felt good because it's been a little bit of a fat minute that we haven't ran. We did hit the gym yesterday. Today we decided to run, and so we could get some energy out. Yeah, it's going pretty good.
Walk.
We did like a sprint. It's been a fat minute. We did decide to go on the other side of the building just because on the other side didn't have no roof. On this side where we were had a roof because it started raining in the last minute and it was a little bit windy, so we had to move the pan in the corner a little bit. And I also went inside the building and check if I can go inside, but since we didn't have no top for the pan, we decided to stay out here because all the smoke coming out and stuff. But you know, wicked day out here. We have tables out here, so we all good. That's how we chilling. We're done showering. He's playing his video game, of course. If y'all seen The Last of Us, that part is not my favorite part. That part made me so pissed off. I ain't gonna lie. It made me pissed off. But it is what it is. Right, babe? Yes, we are heading to California. Back over there. So right now we're stopped in a truck stop.
Someone fucking stole my diesel cap. That's bullshit.
Good morning.
Good morning. Jeez.
Lord just punched me and he ran away. Let's see what he does right now. See if it pops out. Hopefully, let's kill the shit out of him. He does, I'm gonna smack it. See it now. See, I spot him.
I just spawned.
That hurt. You actually hit my head. You know that, right?
Yeah, big ass head.
Okay, guys.
It's a cookie, bro.
Lloyd said that he was gonna eat one of those,
Oh,
so now he gotta do it.
Stop playing around with me. Stop playing around with me. Get off me, bro. That's cool.
You've been hitting your head lately all day today. How does it feel?
Come look at this.
Running up a chick.
Guys, it's cold out here. I'm like freezing. Yeah, this is our morning, guys. This is our morning. It's going to bar.
Never reached out, but it's not enough. Say you bigger than myself, but it's not enough. I get on their ass. Yeah, somebody gotta do it.
Alright, what's the fuck out of
He's wide awake. I am very surprised.
I hate a bitch that's hating on a bitch and they both hoes. I hate a nigga hating on them niggas and they both broke. If you ain't coming for no chili, what you come for? Nigga feel like shit.
We got some groceries. We did end up getting some groceries, like a Lloyd. Look, guys. We have to get Maui a cage. Just because he's been teething so much and he's been trying to like buy our things, so we have to get his little cage, well, kennel. Other than that, yeah, guys, we eating good.
Back up.